Yeah, the skills that they learn, the skills that they enhance when they're in robotics club are things that if they get into a STEM, they get into engineering field in college that are going to directly transfer to their major and make them better students. And if they get right into the workforce as well, these problem-solving skills, all the things that they have to keep track of while they're getting from point A to point B in the project are all things that are going to serve them well in the future.
I think my favorite part about being on the robotics team is that I'm kind of a part of everything. I mean, I help code, I help solder, help, wire things, I mean, you could really do whatever you want. And on top of that, you have fun while doing it, you're with your classmates and have fun while doing it. So, I think that's the best part.
To say the favorite part is physically working with the actual box and robot here. I like the more hands-on stuff instead of just looking and just listening to other people do the work while I could actually do it.
Yeah. Definitely the mechanics. I mean, it's a lot of fun. You get to, mess around with wires and then just screwing around with guys. It's just really fun.
A lot of 3D modeling. I do most of any white things you see on this thing. Soldering, I didn't know how to do any of that before. And say design mock-ups before actually just jumping straight in there.
I want to go into computers, so making cable management's a big job, and so it's really nice to be able to work with that.
Oh, I've learned a lot. Teamwork, that's for sure. You gotta team up with a lot of people that you might not even know.
Definitely public speaking, since it's a big portion of the competition. It's definitely made me improve a little quicker than I expected I'd have to, and I'm really fine with that.
It's a lot of learning.
Yeah.
You have to get to know things before you could just jump straight in. You can't exactly start soldering immediately because that's a little dangerous and we don't want anyone to get hurt.
Oh, if you have the time, you should definitely join the robotics club. I mean, the schedule is super flexible. I mean, you have plenty of fun, and if you're super busy, you could do something. There's always something for you to do. So I definitely say just do it, try it out. I mean, that's what I did freshman year, and there's not a single regret. So.